Welcome to this video to show you how to connect Clio to Kanban Zone in terms of matters. So I'm going to click integrations in Kanban Zone and you're going to fall on our marketplace. In here, you have a few solutions that are pre-built for you, including one from Clio that focuses on automatically creating and updating matters from Clio. We just need to click install, and the first step is already built for you. That's why we call it a no-code integration. We've already set up everything to make it work. All you have to do is establish your connection, and we've already have our Clio connection. There's a separate video to show you how to do these connections. It takes just a second. I am now going to select from Kanban Zone the board to see these matters show up to, and I'm going to select the legal board. And the only thing I need to do is create a data storage. That's how the information from Clio and Kanban Zone are going to get stored so that they can communicate with each other and stay in sync. For here, you only have to type your ID from Kanban Zone, which is KZID, written like this, and your Clio ID, which is written Clio ID like this. That's all you need to do. You're going to click continue. And this is it. Step number 2 is completed. We're going to move to step number 3, which is where the integration gets created. It is already done. And we are now going to start this integration. That's it. That's simple. So let's go back to our board. We have already previous matters that I've connected, and I've already clicked on new matter here, and I've selected all the required fields. And there is a start date down here of today. I'm also going to click this one. That's another required one. And all I have to do here is click Save Matter. So the matter is saved. It's number 35. And now we need to wait a few minutes before going back to Kanban Zone to see the matter show up. So I'll pause my video and come right back. So we are back. It took just a minute and we see number 35 just came in. And if you click on it, the description I typed over there is here. And you should also see the start date, which is right here. So we've got the start date, we got the description, and the name of the matter that just came in. I am now going to make a change to the matter. So I'm going to edit the matter. And I'm going to keep everything simple here. I'm just going to type a big capital update here. And I'm going to put a close date of tomorrow because I just want to see if this information is going to make it over. And of course it will. So I'm going to go back to Kanban Zone and I'm just going to give it like a few minutes again and pause the video. Okay, so we are back. It took just a couple of minutes. As you can see, the date is set, the closing date. I'll open the card and the update shows up here. Everything looks good. And that's it. That's how we do integrations with Clio. And if you go back into your integrations, you will see that the reason for the delay is right here. I'm going to click on my installations. I'm going to go here and I'm going to see on the update right here where there's this little set schedule, and this is the 5 minutes that we wait for every time there's an update from Clio. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. We love working with law firms, and this shows you how easily you can connect with Clio to keep your matters in sync from Clio to Kanban Zone. Thank you for watching.